Hi everyone, my name is Erin and welcome to my channel. I'm very nervous about creating a YouTube channel, but it's something that's been on my mind and on my heart for a long time, and I just keep hearing this voice that says, do it, do it, do it. So here I am, I'm taking this huge leap and I'm gonna start my own YouTube channel. I'm excited that you're here, that you're watching, and I cannot wait to take you on this journey with me. If you've ever felt the itch to create something with your own hands, but you just didn't know where to start, then this is the place for you. I've been crafting and sewing for, I would say at least 10 years now, off and on. I'm mostly self-taught. I've, just like you, watched YouTube videos and attempted to learn things and picked up a lot of tips and tricks along the way. And I grew up sewing and making things. My mom had a sewing machine, and she's always someone who's been very creative and showed me at a really young age how to thread the machine and what to do. So I thought I would take the information and the tips and the mistakes that I've made along the way and help someone else. I made a memory pillow when my dad passed away, and it really showed me that crafting and sewing is a way for me to relax and just be creative and shut my brain off to be able to focus on something outside of my worries. And I think it's fun. I really like it. I'm the type of person that goes from one hobby to the next. So I thought I need to make sure that I'm using all of these crafting supplies that I actually have accumulated over the years. So this channel is all about making crafting approachable for beginners. Whether you're here to learn how to sew, to try embroidery, or just tackle a fun DIY project, I'm here to help guide you every step of the way. So I've got expert tutorials, tips, and even a few laughs along the way that I have planned for my channel. So what sets this channel apart is I understand how intimidating crafting can seem at first. That's why I break everything down into easy, manageable steps. If this sounds like something you'd enjoy, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss a video. I'd love to hear from you. What's a project that you've always wanted to try? Let me know in the comments below. See you next week with my very first tutorial, Beginner's Sewing Kit Essentials. Bye for now, and don't forget, you can do it because Erin said so.